Welcome to our analytical preview of 2025's gadgets and devices. Today, we're examining products that are already showing early signs of market dominance. First up, the Content Creation Suite is transforming how we capture moments. The GoPro Hero 13 Black is blowing minds with its incredibly compact design while delivering stunning 5.3K footage. Speaking of amazing cameras, the Insta360 Link is transforming video calls and content creation. The AI tracking is so intelligent, it's like having your own personal camera operator. And privacy? Just watch how elegantly it bows down when not in use. For preserving precious memories, the Epson Fast Photo FF680W is an absolute game changer. You know those boxes of old photos gathering dust? This scanner transforms them into pristine digital memories in record time. I digitized my entire family photo collection in one afternoon. And for anyone ready to step up their photography game, the Nikon Z52 2-lens kit is pure magic. This travel-friendly mirrorless camera system delivers professional quality images without the bulk. The 2-lens kit means you're ready for everything from portraits to landscapes. The Blue Yeti X USB microphone. Wow! The studio-grade capsules and real-time LED metering make professional audio recording accessible to everyone. Perfect for podcasting, streaming, or crushing those work presentations. Then we have the DJI Osmo Mobile 6. This gimbal literally transforms your smartphone videos into cinematic masterpieces. The stabilization is absolutely butter smooth. So quick, so easy. This smartphone stabilizer powers on as soon as you unfold it. Just attach your phone and you are ready to shoot. Let's talk about the audio gifts that'll blow everyone away. The Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra headphones. These aren't just headphones, they're like having a mute button for the world. The noise cancellation is absolutely next level. These noise-canceling headphones feature Quiet Mode, Aware Mode, and Immersion Mode, which combines full noise cancellation and Bose immersive audio. The Nothing Ear earbuds are turning heads with their transparent design and incredible sound quality. Trust me, these look and sound like the future. For outdoor adventures, the JBL Clip 4 is a pocket powerhouse. The sound quality from something this small is mind-blowing, and it's totally weatherproof. Budget conscious but want amazing sound? The JLab Go AirPop earbuds will shock you. The value for money is insane. For Apple fans, the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation take integration to the next level. The seamless ecosystem connection is pure magic. Need versatility? The 12 South AirFly lets you use your wireless headphones with any audio source, perfect for airplane entertainment systems or gym equipment. And don't sleep on the Ultimate Ears Wonder Boom 4. This portable speaker delivers 360-degree sound that'll make your holiday parties unforgettable. The Electrofan White Noise Machine is a game changer with 20 different soothing sounds for better sleep. The sound of rushing air, white noise, is produced in 10 unique variations. Excellent for noise masking and creating a comfortable background sound in instances where it might be too quiet. As an all-in-one USB-C docking station, Logi Dock connects and charges up to 5 USB peripherals and 2 monitors and works with multiple operating systems. It provides up to 100 watts of power for laptop charging, eliminating unneeded chargers and power cords. Next, we have the Bellroy Tech Kit, represents a masterclass in organizational design engineering, featuring modular compartments with elastic retention systems and water-resistant materials. For digital nomads and tech professionals, this isn't just storage, it's a comprehensive ecosystem management solution. Never lose anything again with the Tile Starter Pack. These Bluetooth trackers are lifesavers. Use the TileMate and Slim for your keys, wallet, bags, and more. Protect lost or stolen stuff and make family life easier. For health-conscious tech enthusiasts, Google Fitbit Inspire 3 represents a breakthrough in accessible biometric monitoring. Its advanced PPG heart rate sensor and oxygen saturation monitoring capabilities deliver medical-grade tracking in a surprisingly compact form factor. The Nanoleaf Essentials Matter Bluetooth and Wi-Fi Smart Multicolor LED Light Stry represents a breakthrough in smart holiday lighting technology. With an incredible range of 16 million colors and seamless Matter integration, it transforms any space into a customizable light show. The included controller and advanced thread connectivity ensure reliable operation across all major smart home platforms. Lifx Wi-Fi Smart LED Light Bulb. After testing various bulbs, we found that these stood out as the brightest and offered the most vibrant colors. We understand how important it is to choose the right lighting for your space, and we're excited to share our findings with you to help brighten your home with the most vibrant colors. The Steam Deck Pro showcases the next evolution in portable gaming architecture. This breakthrough device signals 2025's advancement in mobile computing, merging desktop-class performance with handheld convenience. Its refined docking system demonstrates the future of adaptive gaming, seamlessly transitioning between portable and full setup configurations. The Steam Deck Pro exemplifies how gaming hardware will evolve in 2025. Sonos Era 100. The Era 100 is an Alexa smart speaker with better sound quality than an Echo. Powered by a 47% faster processor, the next-gen dual-tweeter acoustic architecture produces detailed stereo separation, while a 25% larger midwoofer deepens the bass. Next, we have MetaQuest 3S256GB. This beast packs the revolutionary Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 chip, and let me tell you, it's an absolute game-changer. We're talking lightning-fast performance that'll blow your mind. Want a massive virtual cinema in your living room? Done. Ready to dive into the most realistic VR worlds ever? This thing makes it happen with graphics so crisp, you'll forget you're wearing a headset. If you're looking for the ultimate tech gadget to transform how someone experiences entertainment, this is it. For gamers, the SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro wireless headset is pure luxury. The hot swappable batteries mean never-ending gaming sessions. The Alienware Pro wireless gaming keyboard brings pro-level precision to every keystroke, and the SteelSeries QCK Prism mousepad adds style with its customizable RGB lighting. Thanks for exploring tomorrow's tech innovations with us. Share your thoughts on these developments below, subscribe for more analysis, and get ready for our next tech breakdown.